Hello! In this video, we will figure out how to contact the customer support on the Unitex exchange. To do this, log in to your account and find the icon with a question mark on the left. Click on the button Go to FAQ. Please note that before you submit a ticket to the customer support, it is recommended to read the answers to the most frequently asked questions. The solution to your problem may already have been described, and there is no need to wait for an answer from a specialist. If you have not found a solution to your problem, go to the section where you can create a ticket and submit it to the customer support. To do this, click the button Get Support, or you can click on the menu tab Help Center. Remember that you can change the language of the website at any time to the one that you prefer best. Now you need to choose which section your question belongs to. It's quite simple. After selecting the section, you need to select the subsection that applies to your question best. Now describe the problem in as much detail as possible, and make sure your contact details are correct. Now click the Send button. Excellent! A support ticket has been created and submitted for review. You will receive confirmation of successful submission to your email. That's also where you will receive the answer from the customer support of the Unitex crypto exchange.